Hi guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is Indonesian recipe veggie soup that we call sop ayam. Normally it is served with macaroni, but sometimes a combo of macaroni and warm rice. You can drop in any veggies you like into the pot, like potatoes, carrots, corn, snap peas, green beans, whatever you have. Check out the full video now. See you soon again. Bye. Bring a pot of or half pot of water and some chicken pieces to boil. And while boiling, we're gonna remove the scum, of course. So this is gonna be your broth. What we're gonna use today is snap peas that I just sliced. I have a couple of left. I'm gonna add green beans. I'm gonna slice them as well, and then baby potatoes and baby carrots. You can add whatever you like. Later on, I'm gonna add whole mushroom from cans. For the flavoring, this is half of a sweet onion with 3 garlic. We're just gonna make a paste, a fine paste in our food processor. Once you remove the scum, let it boil completely for 10 minutes before we drop in our veggies. Now after 10 minutes, drop in your veggies. And we're gonna boil this until the potatoes are softened or tender. Bring this back to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Again, until the potatoes are tender. Now we're gonna add our onion and garlic paste and bring it back to boil. Add in our mushroom whole as well. We're gonna season it with salt, sugar, MSG if you're using, mushroom granules, and also a little bit of celery salt. And also vegeta powder. Basically, I don't really use salt, sugar, MSG, but this is mushroom granules, vegeta powder, and also the celery salt. I also love giving a generous pinch of ground white pepper. Again, we're gonna bring it to boil, but also I'm gonna add fresh sliced green beans. So the first snap peas and green beans will be tender, while this one a bit somewhat crunchy, which is the way I like it. Again, bring this to boil and leave it to boil for 5 to 8 minutes, and your soup or sop ayam is ready, and serve it with cooked pasta.